Okay, this is the project of the day. I got 2011 John Deere D100. Wasn't cranking by the key. Obviously, I can hit the solenoid. Both sides crank right up. Went and bought a new solenoid, thinking it was a solenoid. Found out it wasn't the solenoid. Uh, which, by the way, let me tell you this. John Deere's, you can get them anywhere, no doubt, but you cannot get the parts, which is stupid. So I just went a few minutes ago, and as you can see here, I purchased an ignition switch and a wiring diagram. Always good to have. But come to find out, it's not the ignition switch. It is not the solenoid. It is not the brake pedal switch, which was already somebody else told me about. You know, it engages, blah blah blah. It's actually the PTO switch, which is located right up in this little crevices, and it goes up against this block. Well, see, the PTO switch is not bad. What happened is this block right here, that you can see back in there, goes up against this piece here. And it fell down. So when it's hanging down like this, it's not touching the button. So you can actually adjust it and bring it up. You see how it moves up and down? You can adjust it by this screw. Once you adjust it, put the PTO switch back on, crank your motor. Pretty simple, just aggravating as hell. Hope this helps y'all out if you're running any problems with not being able to start your John Deere tractors. Make sure you check the PTO switch block first.